Now that I've installed my socket fan, I wanted to show you how it works. The fan comes with a cute little lightweight remote with the battery already in. Very easy to just pop that out there. And this fan has 3 powerful fan speeds and 3 light temperatures. And each of the light temperatures has 5 dimmable options, up and down buttons here. There's the 3 lights here. The first light is 3000 Kelvin, which is a warm light. The second one in the middle is 4500 Kelvin, which is a warm white light, like that. And the last one is 6000 Kelvin, which is a cool light. The normal light is the middle one, which is the warm white light. Down will give you 20% of the light, then it'll go to 40%, 60%, 80%, and 100%. So you have a good lighting here with all those options. Next, we have the fan button. There's speed 1, speed 2, speed 3, and click it again and it shuts off. I can click this red button here and everything shuts off. I can just click this button here and the light will go back on to this last setting. This remote comes with a holder and a screw and a plug if you needed. Also give me this little 3M tape. I'm going to be putting this on the side of my bed frame so that when I'm in bed, I can find my remote easily. If I want to put on the light or shut off the fan, put on the fan, I'm going to fix it about right here. I will never lose it this way. So this little 3M tape will easily just peel one side. I'm going to stick it to the back of the remote holder. Easy as that. I don't want to make a hole in my bed frame. And this, if I decide I don't want it there anymore, it'll be easy enough to remove that tape. So that's all there is to that. I'll just take this out for a second and I'll place it right here. Press it on. And well, that's pretty solid. So we're just going to put this like this. Now I won't lose my remote. So here is the room flooded in the warm light. And this is the warm white light. And this is the cool light. I love this. The 3 different options is fantastic. And I absolutely love the fan. I have it on the extender here. And there's the 3 speeds. It's quite a powerful fan. I really recommend it. It's fantastic, lightweight, powerful, and super quiet.